Do you want to discover how we shot this flawless studio portrait with Optical Snoot? Are you a beginner or a seasoned photographer? In this video, we will show you tips you need to navigate your way and get a perfect studio portrait with Optical Snoot. Hello guys, this is Wispro Media. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a client reached out to us on Instagram that she wants to book for a studio session. This is the video she sent. She said that she wants to recreate something like this. So we had to book a date and then she showed up. So this video, I will show you the 3 things you need to consider to navigate your way and achieve a perfect studio portrait with Optical Snoot. Yay! She showed up looking absolutely gorgeous, and she equally came with a balloon and her friend to assist her with some things. The first thing you need to consider when planning a studio portrait is the background. You will need a clean, uncluttered background that will complement the object, the outfit of the client, and something that complements them and not a distraction from them. You wouldn't want a background that's taking so much attention that is distracting the viewers from seeing the object in the picture. So background is very necessary. In the link below, we have a video where we talked about smoothing your background in less than 3 minutes. So before her arrival, we have already set up the backdrop and the lights. Number 2 thing you need is the Optical Snoot itself that creates a spotlight effect. You will need to position the Optical Snoot close to your object to create a focused spotlight effect. This technique creates a narrow beam of light precisely where you want it to be. So we'll be using AD200 inside the Optical Snoot. Setting the Optical Snoot will be a little bit difficult for you if you have not done it for the first time. Okay, the Optical Snoot, the one I used, the plate I used inside the Optical Snoot is the one that has 0 and then half moon on top of it. That's the one I used. That's, if you watch the picture that is on the screen, the second plate from your left down, that is the one I used. So on the setting the Optical Snoot, what I used is AD200, and then I had to off all the whole lights in the studio. That is how we work. You have to tell the client the position that he or she will stay and tell them to maintain the position. Then you will set the light on them. After setting the lights, you on the lights back, you on the lights in the studio back. So in the scenario whereby the client change position after you are done setting it up, it will alter what you have set. So that is why I have to tell the client to maintain a position where they are staying, so that I set up the whole light. After setting up the whole light, then I on it back and then start shooting. That is how it works for me. One of the things we do in the studio before we start taking pictures is we have this oil that is always in the studio that we tell the ladies to apply on their skin to help their skin glow before we take the pictures, and equally helps in editing of the picture. It makes it faster and easier. This is like a hack from my end. So yeah, I'm doing my test shoot. Test shoot is checking if the light is cool, if I like the light setup, if I like the aperture, the speed and ISO of the camera I'm using. So What I use here to do this image is Nikon D750. That is what I used. Thank God she came with her friend, and her friend is helping her to pose. Yeah, this is something I could do by myself, but then she had a friend that is assisting her, so no stress. So she's tired, she's shy. This is her first time going to a photo studio, and we are just trying to cope and then get an amazing image. That is it. The third tip you need to consider for achieving clean studio portraits is perfect light setup. Light setup cannot be overemphasized, but one thing you need to check is your main light. In the main light, you can either use soft boss, octabus, or parabolic umbrella. In our case here, we use AD600 inside the octabus at the lowest level. You will need to incorporate hair lights or backlights to differentiate, to separate your object from the background and add depth to the image. We use ML60BI Godos as a backlight. That's the one behind her. The bonus tip you need to consider is pose and expression. Encourage your subjects to poses that are natural and cute. Encourage them to relax. Encourage them to express themselves for more engaging portraits. Some people are not comfortable with who they have not met before, so start up a conversation. Let them be comfortable with you. Start up a gist. That is how. Let them express themselves. In that way, they have built a bond with you, and you can easily navigate and get a perfect shot. The client is not photo friendly and she's shy. Yeah, some days are like that. Some days you meet a model, you shoot a model as a client, people who are very good with poses and all. Some days you don't, so it's just left for you to coordinate them and then direct them. These are other pictures we shot with the Optical Snoot, so you can just take your time and go through them. So this video, if you have anything you don't understand or if you have any question you want to ask, feel free to ask your question on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video, and please support us by giving us thumbs up. Thank you.